Hello everyone, welcome to the new session and new class. I hope you all are very well and happy and healthy. Now let us come to the point. Here I am going to start the subject physics, and before starting the unit number 1, I will discuss some basic things which are very important in this subject. Actually, this 11th class physics is a little bit different than that of the previous classes. But yes, the 9th and 10th class concepts are using here to understand the 11th and 12th physics. But now here, while you are going to study the 11th class physics, you should clear all the concepts which you have done in the 9th standard. Alright, students? So, before starting the unit number 1, I am going to start some mathematical tools which are very important to solve the articles as well as the numerical problems. So let us start. I am going to discuss those mathematical tools. So those mathematical tools which are mainly used in the physics are number 1, algebra. You know about the algebra very well. You have done about this a lot in your lower classes. Trigonometry, you have done a little bit concept of trigonometry in the 10th standard. Differentiation and integration, these two new concepts in the 11th standard, and these two concepts including this trigonometry you will discuss in your mathematics also. But let us come to the point. We are going to start the basic concept of this physics. Firstly, algebra. I will discuss all these points: algebra, trigonometry, differentiation and integration. Right, students? So first of all, algebra. In case of algebra, I will discuss only the binomial theorem. This is called binomial theorem. So what is this? It states that I'm using here 1 plus x raised to power n. This statement is called binomial theorem. 1 plus x raised to power n. And it states that 1 plus n into x plus n into n minus 1, one term will decreased, divided by 2 factorial. This symbol is called, this symbol, line and dot. This is called factorial. This is called factorial. So 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square. 1n, next step, n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial. Actually this will be written as 1 factorial. Next 1 increased, 2 factorial. In place of x, here I am using x square plus. Next step after this, n into n minus 1 remain as it is. One step again decreased, n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial. In this side x square, now x cube plus so on. We will write like this, where the condition is most available, mod of x is less than 1. And what is n? N is any number, means n is integer. Integer means all the values from minus infinity to plus infinity, means any number, positive, negative or fraction. N can include all the values. Okay, so now let us understand the meaning of this factorial. So factorial means, suppose I have 2 factorial. How I will write 2 factorial? 2 multiply 1 means decreasing by 1 with multiplication. 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1. How I will write 4 factorial? That is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And how I will write in general n factorial? One step is going to decrease, na? So n factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to so on, last step 1. Clear? So in case mod x is very small, suppose this mod x, suppose this x value, mod of that. Mod means if I am taking the 5, so mod of 5 is 5. If I am taking minus 5, so mod of minus 5 is again 5. Means all the negative values, when I will take its magnitude or mod, then it will be positive. Okay, so in case positive mod of x is very small, then the terms containing the higher powers of x can be neglected. Means when x is very small, then the terms containing higher powers कौन कौन सी? एक्स स्क्वायर, एक्स क्यूब, x4, x5 अप टू सो ऑन, वो सारी की सारी क्या हो जाती है, नेग्लेक्ट. सो इन मैथमेटिक्स वी विल यूज़ ऑल दीज वैल्यूज़ up to so on, but in physics we will use only the expression up to this. 1 plus nx upon 1 factorial is used only. Okay, so in such a case, which case, when mod of x is very very small, then 1 plus x raised to power n, this binomial theorem will be approximately written as 1 plus nx. Okay, now after this, for example, let us take an example. First example is expand the binomial 1 plus 3x raised to power 5 up to the term containing term having x cube. Okay, so we have 1 plus 3x raised to power 5. Suppose this is equation number 1. And you know, in general, I have to derive this formula according to binomial theorem up to the power x cube. So you know, in general, 1 plus x raised to power n, so that is equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial into x square plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 3 factorial into x cube. X cube tak bola hai na, so that's why I'm writing only up to x cube, right? So comparing the general equation with equation number 1, I'm going to compare this general equation with equation 1. In place of 1 there is 1, right? In place of x there is 3x. In place of x, use 3x. In place of n, what is here? 5. In place of n, that is 5. So put these two values in this general form. 1 plus 3x raised to power 5 is equal to 1 plus n is 5 into x की जगह पे 3x plus n into n minus 1, 5 into 5 minus 1 divide by 2 factorial, और x की इस जगह पे x स्क्वायर है तो x की जगह पे 3x का होल स्क्वायर प्लस n into n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 3 factorial, 5 into 5 minus 1 5 minus 2 upon 3 factorial, in place of x that is 3x, that is cube, 3x cube. Clear? So 1 plus 3x whole 5 raised to power 5 is equal to 5 3 is 15x plus 5 minus 1 4, so 5 into 4. What is 2 factorial? 2 into 1, 3x whole square, 3 3 is 9 x square plus 5 minus 1 4, 5 minus 2 3, divide by 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1, and 3x whole cube, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 x cube. Clear? So now you will write here 1 plus 3x raised to power 5 is equal to 1 plus 15x plus 5 4s are 20 multiply 9x square divided by 2 plus 5 4s are 20, 23 is a 60, divide by 3 2 is a 6, multiply 27 x cube. So cut this. After calculating, you will get 1 plus 15x plus 90 x square plus 270 x cube. So if you have problem, you can ask any time. Otherwise, if you are able to understand this example by using the binomial theorem, then please solve this exercise, that 1 minus x square whole square up to x square term, 1 plus 6x raised to power 6 up to x square, and answers are available of these two questions. Okay, so this is only the basic part, so it is very easy, and this physics 11th class physics is very much important as well as very much interesting. Okay, and further for competitive point of view, 11th class includes the 60% syllabus, and for in 12th class it includes the 40% syllabus for the competitive exams. So you have to prepare side by side for the competitive exams also. And if you are able to understand the concept same this academic performance, then it is very easy to crack all the competitive exams. So best of luck, my students. Please start your work, and if you have any problem regarding this, you can ask any time. Okay, and all the teachers are available in the group. So all the phone numbers are there of those teachers. So for any query, you will call them, you will message them. So otherwise, thank you so much.